NewBQ.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back to another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your host Jazz, and today we're going to cook up some Hawaiian chicken skewers. And basically we're just going to cook up some chicken, we're going to cube it up, throw it on a skewer with some onion, some pineapple, some green pepper, and then we're going to take it and throw it on the grill. We're going to sear it all up, make it nice and tasty, put a little barbecue sauce on the chicken, and then we're going to serve it to some friends and see how it goes. So stay tuned. I'm also going to try to make some fries. We're going to call them heifer fries. I probably won't do a whole big video on them, but I might even show you just like a little clip later on of those. But we're going to make those basically inside for today. I just need some pictures of it, but basically just some meat covered fries with some seasoning, some holy heifer seasoning from Holy Smokers, and we're just going to make some cool little like fry dip for some friends. We got a bunch of people coming today, so that's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead. We're going to get the grill fired up, and everybody should be getting here pretty soon, and we need to get these chicken skewers cooking. So let's go.
From a long way away, I take risks. Swing around that corner, I can't miss. I can't go back, I can't switch. I can't go back, I can't switch. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, ay. I ain't apologizing. I made a goal and I hit it. Whole lot of people was saying I never would do it, then I went and did it. I ain't been seeing no ceilings. I'm making use of each minute. You can't relate to that feeling. I don't expect you to get it. Take a look at what's around us. Believing in me, I'm the main one. How you think I'ma be humble when I walk around knowing just where I came from? I think I'm really the one. Telling myself, yeah, I know it. I may go give me a cape. Lately, I'm feeling heroic. I may go give me a Benz. Lately, I'm feeling the vibes. They used to tall my whips. Lately, I'm feeling alive. I'm on the Everest run. I'm going straight to the top. So far from where I begun. I think I'm never gonna stop. From a long way away, I'll take risks. Swing around that corner, I can't miss. I can't go back, I can't switch. I can't go back, I can't switch. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up. Okay. You know why I'm in it. Here to win it, make a major play. Don't know what they told you. Feel like soldier in them bathing apes. Boy done gassed himself up. Don't know why you think you Franklin Saint. Better watch that ending clock to takeaways. Yeah. Balance and recharge and get back to clicking. Yeah, I don't get involved if it's not my business. That's just how I'm living. Staying focused on the finish. Count up, then we mount up. Get right back in motion. Pop this pimpin'. Ayy. From a long way away, I'll take risks. Swing around that corner, I can't miss. I can't go back, I can't switch. I can't go back, I can't switch.
Trying to like look down. Yes, we match. Well, kind of. There, I match. You match. I match. You match.
Yep.
Ooh, that was hot, probably. I bet.
That's alright.
Alright, we got the chicken skewers on. A couple of them. We got a whole lot more to make yet. Wave hi, BJ.
Hi.
Alright, we're going to let them go for a minute. We'll make a few more. Come back and rotate. You can be on rotate.
Okay.
Alright, guys. So, welcome back. Today, hopefully we'll do a little bit better video than we did yesterday. Today, we're going to shoot... We're going to shoot some chickens. Okay, today we're going to make us some Mexican chicken. This is a recipe my mother's grandmother always makes, and I always love it. So it's one of my favorites. I thought, let's just go ahead and make it on the channel. So that's what we're going to do today. But instead of just doing it like in an oven or whatever, we're going to grill our chicken, then we're going to shred it all up, and we're going to put it in a pan, and we're going to put all the other ingredients in with it, and we're going to make Mexican chicken right here on the pellet grill from start to finish. So let's go ahead, let's get into it. We got to get our chicken prepped up, get it seasoned, and then we got to get it on the grill, and then hopefully this won't take real long, and hopefully I make enough of this to make it through the entire week, because this is my suppers for the week. So it's not exactly along the lines of my meat-only diet, which it's okay. I'm gonna let it go this week. So, but let's go ahead, let's get started.
I want the power, but I want the love and respect first on top of this tower. I'm just checking on my net worth. I come for what's ours. You just only want to check first. I come for what's ours. Unless I come for your neck first. I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Said I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Yeah, I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Yeah, I want the power, the love and respect first. But I want the love and respect first, on top of this tower. I'm just checking on my net worth, I come for what's ours. You just only wanna check first, I come for what's ours. Unless I come for your neck first, I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Said I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Yeah, I want the power, but I want the love and respect first. Yeah, I want the power, the love and respect first,
Dang flies. All right, here we go. Can of Rotel tomatoes. 1 can. Can of cream of chicken. I'm using gluten-free. Doesn't taste any different. Just put that in there. All right, here we go. We're gonna mix all this together.
Quiet.
Alright. Gonna add some Doritos. Nice layer of Doritos. Now we're gonna add some cheese. Whole package of cheese. Alright, there we go. Now, let's go take this sucker and put it back on the grill. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put this here on the top. All we want to do is smoke her up. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes. Oh yeah, look at that. Woo-wee. Look at that. All nice and melty. Now, let's take it in and get some pictures. Alright guys, I know you're not going to believe me with this, but I lost all the clips for the ending for this video. I'm not sure what happened to them. Don't know. I really just do not know where they went. I had 2 clips left, and they're not on my phone, they're not on the camera. I don't know what happened to them. So you're just going to have to take my word for it that the food was amazing, everything turned out well, and that's all I really have for you this week, unfortunately. But I will tell you one more thing. You need to go down to the bottom in the description, hit the little more button or whatever it is on your phone or computer or whatever, and click the links down there. Those links at the bottom will take you to my Instagram, my Facebook. They'll take you everywhere. Holy Smokers page, the podcast, which we need to get on making some more podcasts. But it'll be there's links to everything down there. Also, there's a new link this week. It's gonna be for my new website. I just released this website, so you can click on it. I'll have all my pictures. I'll have recipes on there. I'm gonna have videos on there. Everything's gonna be on my website. So go check that out. Okay, go check out my website. It is a work in progress still, but it's coming along. It's coming along nicely. So, anyway, that's all I have for you guys this week. We'll see you next time. Peace out. We love you.